what did the judges think? Let's hear from Anthony first.
Boy, Jerone, that was about as sexy as a wet rag. And that high-pitched thing there, it was deafening. I don't know. I didn't think you were making a connection with people. I thought you were giving a kind of show-off performance. It didn't really come across to me. A little too self-indulgent and a bit too much about you.
Craig.
Yeah, I actually feel the exact same way. It was all right. I mean, it's cool that you can hit the high notes and stuff, but I don't think it added anything at all tonight.
Conroy.
The performance was, I could see you were trying again to bring sexy. And it didn't quite come across that way, just like it didn't for tourists. It didn't quite come across that way. But vocally, you were doing some stuff that were interesting. So that kind of helped, and I hope that will help you for next week.
Now, Romain, I know you performed this 10 years ago. How did Jerone do?
I mean, I think maybe if he did the song in the original key, it would probably come off better. You know, I think he have a very good falsetto as well. You know, it was a good attempt, but you know, he didn't nail it the way I would want him to. You know, but Jamaica love it. Yeah, any song when you sing for the ladies, you know, it will work still. You know, them have a vote anyways. You know, them have you as a sexy man on the thing. So, you know, just try and come better next week, and you know, I think Jamaica love it though.
All right, thanks, judges.